Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into it, make sure that you subscribe, turn on those post notifications so then you never miss an upload. So what we're going to be doing today, by the way, this is Zara. And what we're going to be doing today is we are going to do...
Squishy hole?
Yes, that's the word I was looking for. So first...
My voice is so croaky.
It's fine. I have a croaky voice too. By the way, guys, stay tuned on like our channel because me and Zara we're gonna be doing some more transactions and things tomorrow. By the way, we're having a sleepover. But
So
this is a pink Oreo.
I gave that to her.
Don't
Sorry,
judge.
there's a hole.
Yeah, don't judge about the hole.
I didn't make that hole. I traded it off with a hole that I didn't know about.
Yeah. By the way, Lydia gave us these. Shout out to Lydia if she's watching this. So don't judge that it's like pulled apart, okay? Because that's supposed to be like that. Anyways, so that's the front. It's like a tab. Sorry if you're like meant to be like grounded and like you're kind of watching videos and I'm being really loud. Anyways,
And awkward.
we've got that. Don't call me awkward.
But you are.
Roasting. Okay, so we got this, and then we got this part, the bottom, and then you just stack it back together like a sandwich, and it kind of is a sandwich. Well, it is a sandwich. By the way, I'm really excited for tonight's dinner because guess what we're having? Golden vegetable freaking rice.
I've never had it, so I'm just like, she says it's really good.
No.
Hopefully I'm trusting her.
If you better. If by the way, if you guys have tried golden vegetable rice, shout it out to Zara. She knows that it is, like, I know that it's the best. She's gonna know that it's the best. Like, literally, it's so good. Anyway, yeah, Zara, you can go.
So this one's my favourite. It's like a dupe Nido with glitter.
And then we got this green thing. This green ball with Orbeez. By the way, this looks really good in water. It literally like
all the Orbeez, they like disappear and all you see is the green like gel you see in.
Yeah. And the thing that I hate about these things is whenever you go like this and you like hold it for a long time and then you pull it back, it leaves like a little mark. That's what I hate about it. Anyways, time for the ASMR already. Sorry, already 3 minutes in. We only done like a couple of squishes.
So now we've got this dog. Like, it looks ugly.
Don't judge the outside.
It's really nice on the inside. It's like a shaving cream texture.
Yeah. Then you got this fidget. It's like really cool to like move the marble and stuff. Like this. Maybe I didn't. It's really good to like fidget.
Yeah, do that. Also, we made... that's yours. For goodness sake. We made like squishy slime stuff.
So it's kind of like Play-Doh basically.
But it's nicer. You can make this at home using only flour, hand cream, liquid hand soap, and dye.
It's so easy to make. By the way, me and Sarah tried to do a tie-dye, but it didn't end very well.
It didn't end. We added too much blue and purple. Barely any pink. We used the whole bottle.
And then maybe we've been like that much in it.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Okay.
We aren't saying it for sure.
Yeah, we're just...
It's like we don't know.
Yeah. So... Oh, yeah. ASMR. Anyways. By the way, don't
What
judge...
does ASMR stand for?
I don't know.
Comment down below if you know.
Okay. Look at my nails, bro. Don't judge. French tips aren't good. I tried my best. The paint is coming off. Anyways, next fidget. Okay, so this one is a fidget. Some of the other ones are like squishies. And then so pop it.
Dupe.
Wait, ready for the ASMR. One sec. Ready? And there's a fidget spinner as well. This one is really good.
This is the fake peanut, but it's still really good. It's not crunchy. So, be quiet.
Sorry. Then we got this worm. You guys probably have it at school.
Yeah.
We have this at our school.
I hate the colour of it. It's
Yeah.
like Blippi.
I wish... Oh, sorry, Blippi, if you're actually watching this.
Yes, soz.
But, I really want one to be, like, pink and purple.
Yeah.
Or if you're, like, a boy, probably, like, blue and green, maybe. Blue and red. Don't know.
Whatever boys like.
I mean, whatever you like. Anyways, look, ready?
Oh, also you can break it apart.
Yeah, you can break it. Ow, you just stabbed me.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you. I'm going to have my funeral in 4 hours.
I kept some of her hair just in case this would happen.
Oh, yeah. I ripped out some of my hair today because I was trying to get a knot out.
And I took some in case she died.
Oh, and I was kind of rage baiting. Do that one.
So I play rugby, so I have this rugby ball. It might be an American football. I don't know. Doesn't really have ASMR. My nails are so dirty. Because it's like this thing. It's this thing, okay?
Yeah. Butter.
It's DIY, made at home by Sponge.
Yeah, so if you want to make this at home, make it. It's so ASMR. Not really. So yeah.
What else? Wait, have we done this?
No.
This, I don't know what it is. It might be sushi, might be a snail. I honestly don't know. What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
No, I'm thinking. I don't know.
Like, why does it have orange spots on it?
And by the way, I know what it it kind of looks like a digestion system.
Yeah. What is it?
I'm telling you after.
Okay.
Then just I'm just gonna grab all these. Oh, where's the other ones?
Oh, sorry.
That sounds a bit weird.
Yeah.
Mochi's. Okay, so we're gonna just look how cute the face is.
You're stretching it. It looks weird.
Yeah.
I coloured this at home by myself. Thank you. I appreciate you.
By the way, guys, this one, by the way, it's really good underwater. So if you want to try it, then like grab it.
You can buy it at Morrison's in Fareham.
But then you put it into water, and then it looks so good. Have you showed this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We literally don't know what we showed and not showed.
Then we've got this thing.
It's a raccoon
with
no face, which I got traded it with. So then I've got this like spider ball. It's nice to squish. Has no ASMR though. That's what would make it better.
Wait. That might have. Oh wait, that's nice.
That's just your hands.
And then these is glow in the dark, by the way. That's a rabbit. I don't know why it's a circle though, and I have no idea why it has red eyes, and now I'm gonna have nightmares
Probably
tonight.
it's evil.
Yeah. Then we've got this whole bucket.
Yeah, we've shown most of them and dumped them out.
You know these like noodles, guys.
We miss
Lip. We've got this. Oh yeah, love those.
So then we've got this mini pink Nido dupe. So good.
But most of it is like air.
Yeah. But I like the air bubbles for some reason. My brother broke my other one of these.
So sad. So upsetting. I'm gonna die. Okay, then we got this wheel. The fidget spinner. Why does it look kind of slow?
I know.
Oh, I've got this. Didn't know I had that. Okay. Pick up. Here, show them that.
This like keychain thing, which I'm not bothered to use.
Okay. Hold on, let me just get the ASMR up of this puppet. Ready? ASMR. Don't mind the
Talking in the background.
yeah.
Someone's
It's my-
leaving. Not dying, leaving, just leaving.
The house. Anyways, we'll see you in like a few hours, guys. And this is the end of our video. It will say on the outro, and did say on the
Intro.
yeah, whatever. Like when I was actually saying it, like don't forget to subscribe, but it will say that on my outro. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.